around the way, then I drove back. That's feeling touching down, fucking up sex. My mama cried when I gave her ass 5 racks. My bitch asked for Cartier, I had to ice that. 20 racks for TSA, that's a flight risk. On the road in the mountains doing night shifts. Bitch asked me who I trust. It's your boy Ben Frank 6. I'm back with another video. Something new for the channel. Something new for me too. Yay! New project car. New toy. Something I'm gonna put together, hopefully, before the dream proves, you know. But definitely was something clean and for a good ticket. With a good green title. So no issues. Here we go. Y'all ready? Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Got some good rallies on there. Factory sunroof. Definitely need a little work, but I can't complain, especially for the price I got her for. My favorite part. Wow. Red guts, red inside. I love red guts on everything I drive. Definitely gotta clean her up a bit. 85 miles per hour. We definitely trying to get that speed up. Need some new door panels, but the seats pretty decent. Got that factory sunroof in there.
Nice.
So today we ain't gonna do too much to her. Let me go ahead. Oh, let me open the engine. Let y'all see what she
Wait a minute.
Block. Definitely need to be cleaned up under here, but we're gonna get started with that pretty soon. Now, one thing we gotta figure out, will she run and drive? We're gonna see shortly. So definitely stay tuned. But today, we're gonna damn near try and just clean out this inside and clean up under the hood. Get that engine bay looking good. Definitely gotta get some of this trash out of here real quick. Got my good vacuum ready. And also my good 1800 PSI power washer. So we gonna get that engine bay looking pretty good for y'all, hopefully. Hopefully. Got some nice exhaust on there. This door, but thankfully it came with a set of free doors.
Yes!
That I'm gonna have to get painted and put on there, and it came with a set of free rallies. So you can't complain, man. You get to get blessed with all this good free stuff. But like I say, today we just worried about getting this thing cleaned up under here. Next video, we're gonna worry about getting it started. Like that. Cause Supreme already got some fuel, oil pressure gauges and water temp gauge in there. I really love this sunroof though. Definitely gonna need a new paint job on her though. Now what I don't know, if it's, zoom in on that, one of these right here or not. Could just be a lot. We're gonna do some research on it and see what we come up with. Let me get the other side for y'all. There's no dents, no accidents. It's a little tight over here, so that's why I've been avoiding it, but gotta get that. No dents, no accidents. Let me open it up for y'all a little bit. There we go. Let's get started. Like that baby right here. Gotta get this air filter off of here. Carburetor look pretty good. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see if it's. Oh, need some brake fluid put in there. I ain't gonna get too much in there, but issue 425 1996 1979 Oldsmobile, 2-door body style, clean title. I ain't gonna get the VIN on there, but definitely was a good deal. Now let's get this thing cleaned out a little bit. I ain't gonna do too much today because it's currently 88 degrees in Detroit, Michigan. So we're gonna just keep it cool, calm, and collected. Let's get started.
I don't want to be in no heat.
Yeah,
And instead I'm in a heat.
spider web. It's crazy because I haven't seen not one spider yet. Hopefully I don't see none. I'm trying to get as much vacuumed up as we can. So I'm trying to fire her up. I don't have no issues. I just want to hear a little bit prettier. I should look it right now. Hope this is still working. Y'all can see it a little bit better. And that's my first project car, so y'all gonna be learning right with me. Right these walls a little bit. We even gonna get up in here. There we go. Now we're gonna find something to cover up this carburetor with. We definitely don't want to get that wet. Here go an old towel. This should do. Yep. So opening up them spideys. So, it ain't perfect, but it's a start. Now let's get this power washer out and see if we can make a difference. Alright, let's get started. We got our pressure washer ready. I wish I had my tripod to hold my camera, but we're gonna make do with what we got. Oh, got to start that up. That motor, let me get it. Soft, very soft. But hey, it's for sure looking cleaner and better already. Like it's supposed to. Let me focus up a little bit more. Now we're gonna just do a good wipe now. Real quick. Now that's looking pretty good. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry all the way off. I got some new upgrades for it too.
Oh yes.
Let me show y'all that. As far as the upgrades go, we got a new battery. Yep. That's specifically for that car. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Got some new spark plugs. Spark plug wire set. Now these actually yellow. So that's definitely gonna make it look a little better under that motor. Under that hood, should I say. Got new spark plugs. 8 of them. So we're gonna swap all that out. Of course, we got the lubes, so everything runs smoothly. And got my first air freshener. This is my favorite kind too. It's cologne. So fellas, if you ever wanna get something nice for the ladies, you know what to do. I grabbed some high mileage oil for old school 10W30 just in case it's low, just in case. And we got the gap gauge. Get the spark plugs ready and right. So that's what we got so far, just to get everything running good. Now we might not need this to get her started, but I definitely know we need a new battery. Definitely. Now, like I say, car pretty solid. No dents. Only little rust we got right here is on the door, but the guy gave me 2 brand new doors. Well, it's not to say brand new, but 2 new doors with no rust. Engine bay looking a lot better already. But when we get these new yellow spark plugs and spark plug wires in there, that's gonna be pretty cool. I did want some red ones. Only thing is you have to order those. After the wash, engine bay looking better already. And the starter, definitely not finished. But as a starter, she definitely looking good. Alrighty, we're gonna wrap it up. So that's a wrap on the video today. If you can see, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. Because like I say, it is 88 degrees out here on this hot summer Detroit day. 313 for the hat. Actually got this free at the Detroit Pistons game. I won it because I was a lucky guy. But feeling pretty good. My new project car. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme with a 350 motor. See you next time, YouTube.